Hello, we will see how to change the spark plug cable of our 5th generation Honda Civic 1.5 16-valve vehicle. The product numbered TSPC66 will be installed on our vehicle. You can see the models that the product is compatible with here. It is important to change the cables one by one. In this way, we do not confuse the coil entries of the cables. We start changing our spark plug wires one by one. It is very important to do the operation by holding the boots while removing and installing the spark plug wires. Now we remove our second cable. We replace it with our Tork spark plug wire of the same size. It is very important that all wires fit correctly to the spark plugs and coils. You can watch our cable temperature test by clicking the link in the upper right corner. You can get information about our products on our website, which you will find in the description. Now we can start our vehicle. Thanks for watching.